So, good evening to you, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Nikita. I am from Rail Analysis. As you are aware that Rail Analysis is having its 7th Rail and Metro Technology Conclave today at Bharat Mandapam. So, please introduce yourself and briefly tell us about your company product, which your core product you are manufacturing and supplying to the railways.
Okay. First of all, thank you for asking this question. My name is Abhishek Jha and I am General Manager for the Elemental Analysis range product supplied and manufactured by Lab India Analytical Instruments. We are one of the largest manufacturers of analytical instruments in India, and having our manufacturing facilities in New Bombay, which is near Mumbai, and having offices in 12 different locations in India. So we are providing analytical instrumentation facility solutions to all the manufacturers, specifically to the railways, air force industries, pharma, and various other industries as well. This is all about us.
All right. So, your booth has lot more tech on display. So, what are the main product you are showcasing today in the event, and where in the world currently you are supplying and delivering your product?
See, for specifically as this is related to the railways, so we have spectroscopy solutions for the railways and also to their vendors. So this product specifically goes into the labs as well as into their shop floors. So whomsoever are supplying their materials like ferrous and non-ferrous alloys, lubricating oils, polymers, or any kind of raw materials to railways, that has to be tested precisely. So for testing purpose, they require analytical instruments. So we are providing those analytical instruments to these customers. So if you see the displays, what we are showcasing here is one is the handled XRF instrument, which is there from Alvatech, and FTIR spectrometer from Thermo Scientific. So these two specifically product goes in the segment for the railways. And apart from this, also in their chemical labs. So we have other products like we have optical emission spectroscopy. Then we have now recently introduced this laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy in our product profile. All this product goes in the quality assurance lab as well as QC lab in the railways.
All right. So, are you currently exporting any product to the global market? Are you
Yes.
targeting any area?
Yes, we are also exporting our product in the global market. Specifically, the product which we are manufacturing goes in more than 50 countries all across the globe, and specifically catering to the pharma segment. So those products we are exporting. Apart from that, we are now also exporting these spectrometers to different countries. Like recently, we are exporting our product to Sri Lanka, Middle East, and all these nations.
All right. So, how effectively has this platform been for the business networking, for the lead generation or brand visibility for you?
This platform is really good. So because normally what happens since Indian Railways is a PSU, so to have a proper networking with railway, I think this kind of platform is much more needed. Because here you can see the right people, and networking is at the prime this thing, and we have got a good advantage that most of the other vendors who are also suppliers to the railways, to one or the other commodities, those are also requiring our instruments. So we can have a good networking in such a way that we can correlate and have a good, healthy business platform for future as well.
All right. So, thank you so much for the
Thank you so much
participation
for-
and wishing you
Thank
all
you
the
so
best for your future and the
Thank you
future
so much.
business as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.